local industry. So imagine a scenario where users are in a company, say like Delight, that is in East Africa, and you guys have been given a role, for example, to go for sales. So in order for you guys to boost sales, you guys will need like airtime to call your credits. So we created our solution called Airworks, where users can be able to sign in and they will be able to add users from their company, and they can be able to categorize them by their name and their roles. So for example, if executives get a bigger cut of the credits compared to what is it, than sales guys. So you can be able to just go to the site after you've added your users, selected the role of the employee, select the amount that you want to send, and select the currency. We also have a frequency, so that if you guys, if it is something that happens, say every Friday, you can tell us and then we can customize the solution for you. Or you can just write the amount there and then it will be like customized every day. At the moment, we only have like 5 bucks, so we can only demonstrate to one user. We also, part of the business model is we thought of it 2 ways. We can charge companies as a software as a service solution, and then we can be the ones who send, we send airtime, because we buy airtime from African Stocking. So we send airtime to the companies at a rate of 1-to-1, which means we pocket the bonus that African Stocking gives us like a discount. And also, after companies agree to our terms and conditions, we will be able to sell the data that is on our platform to like advertisers for targeted marketing. So that's the revenue model we had, and I think I'll pass it to my teammate in case I forgot anything.
Okay, good evening. As you have been told that the name of our Airworks, and by name I'm Robbie, and we decided to make this solution, so I'd just like to try to demonstrate.
You said which problem are you solving?
We are trying to help companies and NGOs to distribute airtimes to their users, like the sales, to the employees, like say the guys in sales who really need it, like companies like you, like they give airtime to their guys in sales to talk with their clients.
But you're sending per user.
You can send it per user, we can
send it per user, so that
when you send to groups.
At the moment, we only have 5 shillings. Unless we send us 50 shillings.
You can send 5 people one body.
No,
5 bob is not.
that's 5 bob is minimum.
Yeah, 5 bob is not.
Then I don't see how these sending.
Add for us 15 shillings.
That sounds like something like that. So if you can't prove that it sends more than 2-3 people, then too bad.
The problem is the amount of airtime we have.
I want to see it. You guys want to see it, right? It will be unfair to just believe because he said so. That's so. All these guys are judges. So you have to do something about it. Otherwise, there is no problem. There is no solution there. So you decide. Also, when you put like frequency, what does that mean?
The amount of days you want it.
So every 30 days, so the only thing I want to see is send it at once, at least to 3 people.
What happens if I want to send one time only?
Yeah?
There's also a custom where we had but we do have one, for example, like a CEO can request for so we just search for his name within the list.
Because if it does that, then you're in business, guys. There's nothing stopping you from pitching this to any company.
Can you like give us a way we can load credits to that airtime that you guys?
If it's a functioning app, you can just use it.
Yes. Let's just give us a.
Guys, if your application cannot work live, too bad. True, but if your application is not live, then it's as good as it's not solving any problem. So if you say you're sending airtime, we want to see that. You guys are the judges. You'll be sent out the airtime and confirm if it has been sent.
Kuzimia the activity as a color accounts.
You need help? Laptop.
Hello?
You touch it.
Yeah, fine. Maybe another hour.
And the next team be setting up.
Unless you give me a
What a safe
for
time.
people.
You can, please.
Until I get
Set up.
Yeah. Yeah, you need to do it now. I mean, I can find it tomorrow unless it's added.
Yeah, you want to have a turn over you.
That's about it.
Next team that is ready, go up. Please.
Yes, it's only I post them.
Yeah, it's things like it.
Next, hao wanatuma nini online nini? Kama uko ready, naona mark imewaka hapo. Na deploy. Ujue kuna watu tukipita ndio hivi. Chances ya wewe tukikupass kupresent tena ni almost zero. Haya, ni mko ready? By all means, guys, then what you are ready to pass. So you can figure out how to. Ndio kama mjui kununua hata isha.
Mshano.
Correct. Are you ready? Then you guys can give pale almost. Kamalilia the almost.
Ikiweka hivyo ina stop this. Is the audio can you like pause a video or something?
Hapa ni madafu. Kuna mseme umeshiba.
Unaingia kwa brain.
I don't know.
Unachanganyikiwa na watu wengine. Mambo yetu. Ili kujiamini na Mungu. Chief, pia wewe uko na ile shida. Uko sawa.
Mbona taxi?
Uko kujiziba na watu. Hiyo ni Linux. Bado unaweza connect na ile screen. Si ni mic. Oh, kama inafika sawa. Ile video
My
team is called Answers.
submit level.
I can click.
Hello everyone.
Hey.
Yeah, my name is John Kamau. Yeah, and I'm also for the Sons. Yeah, so this is the system I'm creating is you see, most people go to supermarkets, for example, Naivas, simply because they have points. They are giving points. So you see some people, you can even go to Naivas and pay with your points. And that is among the reasons why people go to choose supermarkets over small shops. So this system is to market to the small shops to make sure they can also give points just like Naivas, and therefore you'll have to get more reasons why not go to the small shops. So the system has both the merchant side and the customer side. So from here we can have customer registration and register one of you who wants to get airtime. Yeah, so the merchant, I'll first log in as the merchant. My password. That's my phone number. This is my password. Yeah, so once you log in as a merchant, there is this account balance where now you have to load using M-Pesa or whichever means we provide for the loading. Yeah, so this is the balance of this merchant as at now. So let's now register a customer. Volunteer. Your your name? Yeah? Mwangi who? Mwangi Josephat. Okay. Mwangi Josephat. Phone number? 9017 5477 07. Repeat kindly. 77. Okay. So for you to register successfully, you'll have to get a code on your phone number. So click once to get the verification code. So kindly confirm you get the SMS and tell us the code. The code 07 0732. Okay. Password are just registered 79 90 17 5477.
You black screen.
So the black screen. Also, this is just Adam image or an image, just to show the login page. So it could be anything on this side, an image maybe for, yeah.
Could be a meme.
Exactly, yeah. You see it as a black one?
Yeah, it's not black.
It's your angle.
It's not black.
Is there anything there?
Yeah.
No.
It's not.
It's a gradient, so it has different colors.
Okay, you can increase prescription.
Wewe kuna picture gani?
It changes colors.
Yeah, it's colors.
That's what I mean.
It's not
The
black.
photo is black.
Yeah, so now let's now load. Let's now do register ourselves for this customer we've registered. So sale description. Let's say this customer bought. So before we do this, when creating a shop as a merchant, you'll have to give the shop name, a description of what you do, and also you have to describe how much is a point. So after how much money do you give us for us to give you a single point? In most supermarkets, it's 100 a point, but it's up to you to decide whichever rate you want to use.
You wanna do that?
Yeah, we can do that. Shop name. How much is a point? You can use 100, for example. Shop has been registered successfully. So we can use this merchant or continue with the default one again.
So nothing happens. You have submitted but nothing happens.
No, there was a snapshot tell you.
So you don't go in.
So that is registering a shop. Yeah. So just as sale, got bananas. Your phone was 79017. Five 477. Amount, let's say you pay how much? Let's give you 800. Yeah, so that was successful. Oh, if you are keen, you could see there was this amount reduced from 48 to 36. Yeah. So let's now log in as the person we've registered, confirm you have the points, withdraw the points, and he gets the airtime. Yeah. Customer login, phone number 07. Just what? 07. Yes. Thank you. Yeah, so he bought an amount worth 800, and the per point it's 100. So he gets 8 points. So he can come here and withdraw the points amount to withdraw. 5 shillings.
Chief, why are the
Yeah.
points showing as Kenya shillings?
I've used I've used Angular, and I've done a pipe of currency, and I've specified Kenya shillings. But that can be customized to whichever country you operate in. It also can be configured.
So this is money, not points.
So this is when you get to the point, this is your account balance. In most cases, as a customer, it would make sense to tell you, for the points you have, this is the amount of money you can redeem. Because now here you want to withdraw points. How much airtime will you get? This is why we are showing you the account balance as Kenya shillings. But it would be points, but now that won't be intuitive, it won't make much sense to the customer. Yeah, that was the main reason I did that. So I said withdraw successful. Confirm for us, you get the money. $5. Yeah, so that is what I was trying to solve, just to make sure the small shops can also, this is a form of marketing for, maybe to make sure they get more customers get a better reason to go to the shops. Yeah. So also, just to show other aspects of this, it can also show you the ledger transactions. That is the data, how much point did you have, what did you do, and all that. Yeah, so for that, I don't have the UI for that, but we have the APIs ready. So it's just to point out, to come here and see match and fetch ledger transactions.
As it shows that, anyone with a question? At the back, do you have a question? Okay. So John, I would like to ask,
Yes, kindly.
when you submit a shop,
Yeah.
I think you should consider if that should have a better transition to something else.
Okay.
Opposed to making now that's why.
Okay.
I wish okay.
Yeah, so from here you can see, for example, here there was this is the latest ledger transaction. It was a -8. There is the balance before, balance after, time created. It was a debit. You can see there was a 4 by sent for a 9. Here it is. There was also a 3 and all that. So I've not yet implemented the M-Pesa, so the load was a manual load. But if it goes well, we can just do that.
Huyu jamaa anasema umeiba idea.
Bwana
makofi. Leta shida sana.
Thank you very much.
You guys are ready? Yeah. Please show us. Chap. Buyuka be getting ready, yeah?
Oliver. Start chimita. Yes.
It's like No, I think the issue was you sending the multiple people at the same time. Sorry? But now that's the same as me sending so then going to another person.
No. The company gave us companies, they add people to their platform. Then now they're able now to send, like for example, kama sales wanatuma so inaandika tu hapo, so then everybody who has a role of sales on our
So how
application.
many people on sales?
3 of us.
Now you cannot send this to yourself.
Okay, then we'd have to add people.
That's what it says. You send, they confirm. You see how John has done it.
You have to send. Because the people need to
I'll
exist
still
now.
give you a chance, but I don't think this thing is working very well. Because if it did,
Front end not work.
Alright, we've got. Okay, the other team. So Buyuka will not come back to you again. The other team, please make this real quick. There and then you guys. Ama kama wako ready, please proceed. Proceed, but there is no time. Be ready so that you save some time, so that everyone has ample time to present. Give it up for him as he comes forward. What's the name of the team?
Africa's time.
Africa's time.
Yeah.
African timer. Sawa.
Hello. My name is Martin. My solution is all about. So my name is Martin. My solution is all about coming up with an application that will empower developers after attending an event. What will happen, assuming like you allow developers, when it comes to winning, you have first position, second position, third position. What will happen to the rest of the attendee? So the solution is all about kind of giving incentives to all the developers. Now during when you arrive, you come here check with the MK. After checking with the MK, you scan a QR code. After scanning, you receive a M-Pesa credit through that QR code. So that's all about my application. It's all about empowering developers after attending an event. This solution can be used by Africa Stocking any event. Sasa it's not tied to Africa Stocking, any industry that really wants to give incentives to attendee is the solution. The first thing.
Let me ask you,
Yes.
first, all those things I see that they are working.
I only managed to implement generate QR code, scan QR code, buy airtime. Since today doing was not all about SMS and voice, I only implemented generating QR code, scan QR code and airtime.
I'm alone,
Yeah,
and it's working live.
yeah.
Sure.
The first thing, me as a Africa Stalking team,
Guys, you're doing something.
let's say I'm the AT team or staff, I log in. I didn't come up with the login system since that's not a problem statement. So the first thing, this generating QR code can be done by the AT team. Let's say I want to give credit to all the members here, what 5 shillings bob. So the first thing I'll do, I'll enter the amount as 5 bob. After entering 5 bob, it will generate a QR code. This QR code is equivalent to 5 bob. Okay? If I have an application that can scan QR code, but unfortunately yours can scan, but you can't redeem the airtime since you don't have the logic, the code. So only my application can redeem the credit. To perform this operation, I required 2 devices. My phone didn't connect with the device. So after generating this QR code, I'll come with my phone, scan this QR code. So I have a sample of a generated QR code. This image is similar to this that I've just generated. So I have this as my image, which has a QR code. So I'll come with my phone. Let me split the two so that you can see the logic. Here, this is the QR code that I have generated. Now this is my application. So what I will do, I'll come here to scan QR code. Let's see. So I click scan QR code. As you can see, so if I scan my QR code, it has detected 5 bob. Okay. After detecting 5 bob, I come here to redeem the airtime, redeem credit. Guys, please.
If you have a question, you can raise up your hand. We'll ask. We'll give them a chance to ask.
Oh, sorry. I have to enter my phone number. Maybe I can use someone else's phone number. I'm going to give it at 5.
You volunteer?
Plus.
Yes, Namiba.
2547.
Plus 2547.
57.
Another 57. Plus 2547. Then 57. 915. 542. 512. 07 57 91 5512. Then redeem airtime. Sorry. Something has happened along the way. Plus 2547. Is this Safaricom? 2547 57
915
915 512. My API key.
Supply notification is about.
So let me change my API key. Oh, sorry, I forgot to enter my API key. That's why I'm getting an issue. So I had my generated QR code. So I come to scan this QR code. 9154. Can you give me a phone number? Plus 2547.
Look at the live one.
Sorry. Plus 2547 57 915 512. There you go.
Amazing stuff.
Bado haijakaa.
Imefika.
Kitu imefika.
These are for those who are using smartphones. Let's say I come here and using a featured phone. So what will happen in my case? I can't scan this QR code using featured phone. So what I did, I came up with a USB whereby after arriving, you'll be given a secret key. This key will be only shared during this event. Okay?
Yes.
For the USSD, so I have just arrived. So what I'll do, I will redeem airtime. Let's say the secret key was XYZ. Sorry. This will come to my phone, but I'll share. Since I've logged in using my phone number. A minute. There you go. Sorry. This airtime I've just got it right now. As you can see, you can check even the timestamp. 8:14. Everything is it. Sorry, 6:14. Maybe you can give it a try, but there is this issue of if I buy credit, I must wait 5 minutes. Don't
You can't send the same amount within the same 5 minutes. It thinks it's a duplicate transaction, so you have to change the amount.
but you can see this amount what probably about just the moment. And not only that, I can also buy airtime. Now my airtime. I can buy my airtime, or maybe I can gift you airtime. To do that, I can buy airtime. I can choose my phone number or someone else's phone number. Don't know if I get the same session issue.
It's somebody else's phone number.
Okay. Plus maybe someone else can volunteer. Plus 254.
Select.
Oh, sorry. Number 2. Plus someone else to volunteer.
729
729
292
292
562.
562. I can also check balance after.
Did you build this today?
Yes.
You have been building it
Yeah.
since you saw the hackathon.
Yeah.
Nice.
So then the balance, right now, current balance is 45. Thank you, that's as well.
Any questions? Have some confidence in yourself. Any questions?
Any question for the guy? I have a question, but it's not related to the. So I have a question. So now that this is so good, if I don't have enough airtime, could you try and implement maybe get it from investor or the bank?
That is possible, but considering that I was working on the the SSD application, it was focusing on one thing, it was doing one thing.
No, I'm saying you can add it as a feature because I see how this could be implemented in servers.
So I have a question about you're given that use case for the hackathon.
Yeah.
So what I was wondering is, what if you were to give your phone number instead of, so now when you come over there, instead of them generating the code and then you use the code, can you make it unique such that I come here, I give my phone number, and then instead of putting the 5 bob like what you are doing, you put the phone number instead and have a set number, or just even a different number. So now, for example, I come here, and then now I'm being rewarded for attending. So now what you can do is now, the same way they ask for your name, you just give your phone number, they can use that, and then now you can generate a QR code from that and make it unique to that phone number.
That's even possible.
Yeah, so that's just a recommendation. It's not really a question, just a recommendation for just making it unique, such that now that QR code and that amount is for that one person. So now every single time, and also it'll be a good way for now people to be able to collect the phone numbers of the people who are coming for the hackathon. Yeah, so that's just a recommendation. But that's those exceptions.
Thank you.
Fantastic. Next team. Next team. No more teams.
Sorry in advance.
Chief, you want man. That's another game.
No, there's something.
That's another nice. So what's the name of your team? The one that is submitted. Is the one you
Yeah.
No problem. Solution like it's on Sunday.
It's 50 and 25 for the best product. Number 2 price, there is best design, which is 150 to 25. Number 3, there is dark fabric. Yeah. So you can even get all 3 prices. So you're good enough. What is a
Introduce the problem, yourself, the solution,
Okay.
to everyone.
Okay. Good evening. Our project was meant to be used for small scale business. Any small scale business using venture in e-commerce from a small perspective. So this is our website where it can be used for both. So I said that can be used for both the administrator of the business and the users of the website. So this is what you need when you first go into the website. You can get to choose any product you like. For example, choose one. Okay, when you choose, you are notified that the project is added to the cart. The system keeps track of all the items in the cart. For example, if it shows you 2, it means there are only 2 items in your shop. Then you can easily check out. You can
in. If you haven't logged in, you'll have to register. You can put your name and the details. We have cookies, so you can just, you only need to.
What's the problem that you solve?
We are solving, so for this one, the business, somebody will be selling his products online. So what we do is that we reward a few airtime tokens for the items that you buy. So the more you buy, the more airtime tokens you can get.
So it's like encouraging buyers.
They are encouraging buyers to buy. When you buy, we get to reward you some airtime.
Everyone who buys gets airtime.
Yeah, for as long as you buy, we take a percentage of we get to calculate a percentage of your total sales, and then it gives you a little credit, not much. But let me show you.
Can you see that? We don't care about the registration. Can you go direct to the
So let me just
someone buys?
complete, because in order for us to go to completion, you need to have the.
Guys, we are not interested in login registration. Please, can you do that in advance? So we see the main solution and save some time. But you guys are aware PayPal commissions is really high. So I don't know how sustainable that is.
We were using it for the demonstration purposes. So you can get to place your order at this point. Once you see here, this guy used a total of 17 shillings. So for 17, we will take 10% of it, we'll give you one book. So pay. Yes, we put number in. Yes, as you receive the text.
Now we need you to put number for someone else. Who's not part of the team.
Okay, so we are going to start in very quickly so that we just finish.
Anyone else who is demonstrating if the application is live, send the airtime to someone else beside your team members. That's the only way you can confirm it.
We can have a number.
Any volunteer?
0701 02 09 01.
We will have to be patient, let's just finish it. Can you check?
I thought there was an error or something, right?
No.
Successful.
Not yet? Oh.
5 is the value.
Okay.
Interesting.
We did.
Because it's you must have gotten a response saying that you want.
We can get several products so that the number adds up and then we just finish with it. Not creating it. Usually. We'll go up. Increasing the quantity.
It's not working like wapigia makofi. Next, but I like the ERP system. So you could continue working on it and it works. Washa basi kimi yako inaenda nani?
Uliwaambiwa yani top up peke yake au kama top up?
Guys, please.
What I have.
Uliwaambiwa tume kwa
So the problem that I'm solving, I find that in most cases people don't attend tech events because simply they do not know that the events are even happening. For example, last week there was a React.js event. How many attended? How many? Good. On Saturday there was a hackathon at iHub. How many were here? Yes, so that is a problem that I was solving. Whereby we have outside where it's like a central place for events. So community leads can create an account and then they post the events there. Then people can go to the site and see the events that are happening. So I'm going to demonstrate that. Okay, so number one, for the site, what I did is only to notify people. So in the aspect of the RSVP list, I did not manage to do that, so I'm going to move that data and then we'll see whether it will send an SMS to the people who attended as an incentive. So here is the registration page. I'm not going to register, but here is the registration page for people who wish to create an account. And the business model of this site is we can charge people for accounts, create an account, maybe we pay something. So I'm going to log in with an already existing account. happening and a description of the event. From here we can see the existing events or events that will happen. So for here, for example, the first one, I can't be able to do to update, delete, or do anything with it because I'm not the account who uploaded the event. So for the event that my account uploaded, I can be able to update, delete, and show who attended. So I'm going to demonstrate. I'm going to need a volunteer. I'm going to need one volunteer to give me their name, their first name, last name, email, phone, and occupation. A volunteer. Yes. Last name. I'm going to get the email. The phone number.
794.
0794.
Yes.
94 01
60.
60. I'm going to say you are a software engineer and I'm going to save you. So let me go back to my site. Okay. There we go. I'm going to show the attendees for the beginning as well. So I'm mocking the data that the RSVP data because, for example, Africa's Talking already has a system for that where you go RSVP and an email is sent to you. So I'm going to assume I have that data here and I'm going to show attendees. And here's Collins. And what I'm going to do is, you can see the columns. I'm going to send airtime to Collins as an incentive for attending this event. Yes, and for being consistent in attending these events. And you confirm whether you will receive the airtime. Have you received the airtime? Yes, thank you. That's
How much did you receive? Who received the other? Who received? So
any questions? Yes.
Not a question. Not a question, but thank you. So, not a question but a recommendation. Yeah, this would help the community leads because I know some of them or most of them don't register their events simply because the platforms Meetup and the others charge. So maybe this would make economic sense to the community leads if the business model is cheaper compared to the other platforms. So it's important to confirm what the other platforms are charging and now get feedback from the community leads. Why don't you post your events on Meetup? That will also give you more content on why to go on with this project and see it to completion. Thank you.
Thank you very much. Any other
do
questions?
you charge this?
For now, no. but
Later, so later, how much will you be charging?
how they are charging so that I'm competitive.
Okay, so I have a question. So why are venues set? Why aren't they, because you can't have every single venue ever in Kenya. So why is it a drop-down?
So, for example, I'm from Limuru, and I have found a place where we can be able to host a festival in Limuru. So you can come here and have a venue. That's why it's a drop-down to that way.
What is the benefit for me to add a venue? If I'm literally going, imagine I go there once. What's the benefit of me for me going through this whole process? But I have to go add a venue, then go and create an event at that venue. It seems like a lot of work for something like that. So like what I would recommend is just letting it just be a test. As much as you get a lot of duplicate things, you would allow people, you allow more freedom for people just to say, okay, we are in Kwawato, whatever the hell that is, and
Let me show you what happens when you click on the venue.
yeah, but what I'm asking is what benefit is there for me as an event organizer to add that venue, even if, for example, I'm only doing it once. So it's a place that I'm there only once. Now, what benefit is there for me to go add a venue, then go to event, then go over there, and then now that drop down can have 3,000, 3 million things because you're asking me to add, and then, yeah, so if it's not that drop down, I have to go and add, right? And then now that drop down, how big will it get? Yeah, so I would recommend not having that venue as a drop down. As much as I understand why you're doing it, it's not really practical because if you give the people the opportunity to add the venues, they just leave it and that drop down will crash the process. So yeah, that's what I recommend.
Give it up for. The next team. What's your team name? Team RC. Airtime Disbursement Employees. Which step are we coming from? The next one, next yeah, next one.
I'm still going through the list. Things is difficult. And what's your obvious?
Good evening. Yes, so our solution is a bit self-explanatory, and it is selling airtime at the click of a button. That's basically that. The problem you're trying to solve is you want to send airtime to a group of people, say employees, say you have agents in the field, say you have name it, a group of people that needs to get airtime at the same time. So how it works, you need to have an admin at the back end who is going to add that list of employees, and then they have the rights now to initiate the sending of the airtime. So I know this is a very interesting project. I'm expecting a lot of feedback and suggestions for features and other types of implementations. But before we do that, so we need to demonstrate if it is really solving the problem. So I need 2 volunteers to give us their numbers so that we can, yeah. Have you gotten airtime again from the presenter? Okay, sir. You can give us your number.
So if someone has already gotten, they can get it.
No, we just want to distribute to over the introvert. Yeah. 727. Just a minute.
To 7 and a half.
You 727?
99.
1993. 0727 just a minute. Your name is? We'll get to the question then. The second? No. Another volunteer. You have you gotten it?
No. 0757.
0757
612
612
486.
486 757 612 486. Okay, what's your name?
Kevin.
Okay. Alright. So what we need to do now is to for the admin to here. The mouse is all yours. You can send it. So everybody can cross their fingers.
Come.
If you get it, shout so that people can know. Kotonda. So the way she was moving the mouse around, that was for effect. It's a physical animation. So, questions? Yeah, that's it.
Already asked me a question.
Locals.
No, I asked you.
Yes. So for now, I'm entering those numbers right now because I had used 3 hosting solutions, and the way I was when I entered new numbers now I have to. I'm entering them from an environment, right? So it has to build again. And for free hosting solutions, they give the VMs, they give priority to paying customers. So it would waste a lot of your time waiting for it to upload. Yeah.
Any other question? Okay, give it up for the team. Next.
Every month Thursday.
Maybe nilikuwa na idea built like a demo for a survey application. So like you don't respond to the survey, and then you get so like, because these surveys are done by like NGOs or organizations. So after gaining your data and feedback, making
Alright.
data.
Evening. So my name is Erwin and my team member, we are two of us. My team member is Peter. So our project is called
You get 10x more responses on your service. So like, so they are like rewarding your customers by
Instant airtime.
because these people like sell to like
Right,
organizations.
so this is the team. My name is Erwin. This is Peter.
Actually,
And our
something
project
like
is
this.
called Surveyor.
My first project.
So the background is
So there's
you notice that students in either university and also university and a graduate or PhD, students struggle a lot when it comes to writing research papers. So there's one thing in writing research papers, you need to collect some responses from people. So you create a survey on survey monkey of the form. I want to share the survey, the link to the questionnaire in our group. Sometimes the number of responses you get can be limited. Another use case is people when you go to a restaurant or any service provider, sometimes it's hard to incentivize users to complete your survey. On a surveyor, we promise to get you 10 times more responses. And the reason behind this is that we incentivize, you get to incentivize your respondents by providing them with airtime. So that's the main idea. So you fill a questionnaire, you get airtime. So that's the main idea. So I can show you our demo. So first step is so we've included authentication. So in terms of if you want to use someone else's number, because we can't use our own numbers, you have to do a quick sign up. But it's a simple sign up. So you just an email, password, but the main idea is just the phone number. So I'll just enter my email and password, or you can get a phone number from the audience.
It actually looks vibrant.
So I'll just enter my details. So that's my email. Yeah, that's my email. So I'll just use a simple password 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then for the phone number now, this you can get from the audience. Yes. 0798 3565. So that's 0798 356532. Alright, so I'm going to click register. So we're not redirecting, so I'll just shift to sign in. Sorry? No, that's fine. It will come before. So I'll quickly enter my details. So this person signing in is a user who wants to create a survey. So picture myself, maybe I'm the organizer of this event. So I'll log in. And now this is my dashboard I have. So some of this data is hard coded since we didn't get time to put the actual data. So one thing you can see is first of all the balance. So this is since you can see where this balance comes in. Total questionnaires is how many questionnaires you've created. I think that's a hard-coded value. Total respondents is how many people have responded to all your questionnaires. And then here's a list of your questionnaires or surveys. This is also hard-coded, but we can create one. So creating a survey, we start with a title, write a short description, and then you add questions. Sorry about the name area, if you go away as we continue. So I'll just create some data here. So let's say it's about this event today. So the title is Improve After Starting Hackathon Experience. So let's say this is an event organizer. This event, you want to collect some feedback. So it will be a short description. I'm trying to make it as short as possible. So yeah, we'd like to collect feedback on this event, but you can do as much as you want. So now we start to add questions. So I'll just add a few questions. So if you want to add a question, you just click there, then you get this form. So here you can provide the question type, and then you can add choices. For simplicity, we're only using one type of question type. By question type can be either multiple choice, open-ended, range, but for us, just a simple approach. So I'll add, for the sake of time, I'll just add one or two questions. So the first question is, how many years of experience do you have? And then I can add a few choices. So that's the first question. There are more things to add, like is it required and all. Then you have one more question, just one more. So the final question is what you prefer text type. I'll add like just two choices. Yeah. So I've added two questions. What's your preferred text type? How many years of experience you have? So now this is the person creating the survey, the person who we registered. So once I create the survey, there's one thing I forgot. So this is the idea behind our solution. So you, as the person creating the survey, you decide how much you want to pay out to people when they answer the survey, and then you specify an amount to do. So let's say I want to, for the sake of demo, we'll give $10 to each person who answers our survey. Then
Is this link, solution not being like?
yeah, we are currently live. We are just about to send it. The person who fills the survey is the person who wants to create it.
But is there someone who fills the survey so that you can see the transaction?
So we are just about to get there.
No, you're not answering the question.
So
Is there anyone who fills the survey?
Not yet.
So who is deciding on the
The person who fills the survey. We are still creating the survey.
So they have not started answering the questions.
No, we are still creating it. So amount load is now what you get on the STK. But since you're testing it, you will get 100. It's fixed to $10. So once I click on the create survey, hopefully we'll get an STK push. So can you again?
Yes, and now,
We've got it. How much?
10 students, but I'm supposed to attend.
Yeah. But so for simplicity, we haven't, because of time, some things haven't been that much, right? So you don't need to enter. The M-Pesa bill. We've sent her an STK push, but she doesn't need to enter.
But in a real scenario,
she'll have to enter.
M-Pesa pin.
Yeah, because it's an STK push. You need to load money, which now will be sent to people as well.
So she's the one who's sending or she's the one receiving?
This is her account. This is her account.
Ah, I see.
Yeah. So once you get in a perfect ideal scenario, you'll enter your PIN and then you load your account. So, and then also for, again, simplicity, ideally what you get is a link. If I go over this, you get a link to the survey. But since I just want to make it simple, I've added it here. So now it comes to the time for sending it. So if I click attempt survey, there's the survey we've created. So after starting hackathon experience and then the 2 questions. So again, we haven't done much error handling, but hopefully you get the idea of what you're trying to achieve. So I'll just put a simple value, and then so now this is the person who's filling the survey. The first person was the one who created it. So we need a phone number of someone else now to receive the Airtime. So if someone can give us their phone number to test. Yes. One moment. 0700 725. Yep. 236. So once I click this button, you complete the survey, you should get data. So you can let us know once you get it.
This is actually not the best.
You got it? How much? Nice. So he's got the data and so that's our project. Samir, you have any questions?
This is yours.
Thanks.
Nice, give it up again for these gentlemen. That's the last team. How many team remaining? You guys make it more faster. Hurry up. The rest can just line up on this table so that we don't waste time. The other three. Where are the other 3 teams? Where are the other 3 teams? Can you please line up here behind where the video is? You have 3 minutes. What's your team?
That's a very interesting project. Unaweza kuona 2 options. East and where business.
Good evening. So as you can see, the solution is based on potentials or homeowners who want to register on the platform, and if the users book or reserve a room
receive a credit. So I just go straight forward and someone contribute his or her phone number. As you see, there is a room which has been enlisted by a homeowner of an hotel. You can see that there is a location. This is phone number. 901754. There's another SMS.
You have reserved 1 night for
So that's basically the solution. In order for people, homeowners to gain more traction to their homes. And I think this platform will help Kenyans as a business to improve customer retention.
To be completely honest, I don't see what you're fixing. Even because I get what you said, but why would, if I'm reserving, I don't think Airtime.
Yes, I know where you're going. There's some hotels that if you reserve, we also pay for the internet security. So that's where in order for you to reserve, I just give you a Airtime that can also purchase. Others may opt to put their own the internet, but for this one, we also have the option. And the homeowner will give you another, gain more customers. It's a sort of incentive.
Are there any other questions? Any questions? Okay. Thank you. That's it. Give it up for him.
Continue. Ngoja. Speaker yatumia gani? Hiyo ama hii? This one.
Please take us to the solution. Tell us the problem, show us the solution. Wewe msikuja kupiga story mingi hapa. Please.
So our team is called Prima Shops. So the major problem we are solving is we are trying to, as we all know, the cost of living is rising really fast, and we are attempting to solve to create a solution that will be able to tame the fast cost of, like, to tame the rising cost of living, so to make a living a little bit lighter for everyone. So our solution is basically a discounts platform that will enable smaller shops, or rather vendors or retailers.
Hold your thoughts. Have you submitted this idea?
Yes, pretty much.
Did you?
Yes.
I can't see it. When did you submit today? I can't see it. Ah, yes, I see it.
Okay, cool. So sorry about that. So we submitted it. So we want to offer a discounts platform that will enable us to sell at a discount directly to consumers. So traditionally, you know that for you to buy something at a local shop, there's a lot of red tape. So wholesalers buy from manufacturers. Wholesalers then sell to further to retailers, and in other instances there's also distributors in between. So that ensures that there's a lot of everybody putting a markup. It makes your cost of living high. But on our platform, we want to aggregate customers via discounts, and then buy directly from manufacturers, but on specific instances or dates. So so when you get to our landing page, you quickly click find discounts. This is for the customer, and then I'll get my colleague here to explain.
Hi. Okay, so I'm going to demonstrate the solution. So I need a volunteer customer at the back, yes. So we're going to use your phone number. So, okay, we are going to register you to Prima Shops. So what's your name? Yeah, Newton. We go to your login, and then you're going to register at Newton. So Newton. So the email will be newton@gmail.com. newton@gmail.com. So what's your phone number? 07. Yeah, Kenya. Select the code for Kenya. The number? Kenya. 07 26. 07 26 28 26 58. Oh, sorry. 07 26 48 66 31. Okay. Input the password. Okay. So the region, I mean the location, the residence. Yeah, Nairobi. So you've been registered. Yeah. So you're going to log in to proceed with the purchase, because our system, so you as the customer, you're going to buy goods from Prima Shops, of which we are selling at discounts. Yeah, hence lowering the...
Sometimes somebody left a flash disk somewhere.
Yeah. So after logging in, you're going to select the products if you want to buy.
Can you do this? If you explain every detail and you can see the book, can we such a solution? The problem is
So you buy, and then you'll receive an STK push in your phone. Have you received? It will prompt you to enter your M-Pesa PIN. Yeah, and then you'll receive. Okay, after the payment, you'll receive an airtime incentive because you purchased from Prima Shops. Yeah.
So the reason why we are offering an incentive is because when you purchase using Prima Shop, you get the customer gets an incentive, but also the retailer gets an incentive. So we've come up with a very genius way of retaining customers within our platform, because when the customers receive an incentive, you'll go pick the product at a certain area where we've obligated the orders. So the particular retailer who's delivered the item will also get the incentive because he's like technically our salesperson. So the person will get the retailer. We also have the retailer page. So the retailer will get also, like, let's say an incentive of the airtime. So the beauty about this is the retailer also aggregates airtime. So for example, you've sold the cakes, you've sold 50 cakes. So those 50 cakes, if you multiply, let's say by six bob that you're getting from us, you can take it back to your shop and sell it as airtime.
Therefore, can you show us all these stories?
Okay, cool.
Or as you give these stories, you see the market.
Okay, so
it will be easier to understand.
Okay, cool. So we'll log in as a Prima Shop retailer. So log in as, just go to login and yes. So if you log in as a Prima Shop retailer,
those who have not presented, if you have to register and log in, can you do that so that you come and show the solution? Everyone logs in. You can register and log in.
Okay, cool. So if you register as a Prima Shop retailer, you get a dashboard like this one. So you're a vendor. So what happens is you fill out the products that you have in your system, and then you're able to add the product name, currency, and all that, and go down.
So there's no product already added.
Yeah, they're in the front end. So go back to the customer. So when you add, so for example,
for retailer.
And this is for retailer. Yeah. So a retailer is able to tell us what products from Prima Shop they have. Remember, for us, we are getting products. How we're able to make a markup is we're getting directly from the manufacturers. So the 6 bob that you're giving for both ends are the margins you are getting from the manufacturers. Yeah. So basically that's our system. So we're getting the money, but also at the end of the day, this vendor remains in the system because he's able to sell this product and get an incentive for 6 bob, and the customer gets us. As soon as the customer gets, he also gets, and him we can be accumulating. Thank you so much.
Can we see the 6 bob?
Yes. You can kindly show us.
They receive 6 bob?
Yeah, they receive.
And the retailer?
Yeah, the retailer received, yeah.
Who is the retailer?
So the retailer was already in the system that we had locked in.
Haya, wapigie makofi. Final team. Zinja unapresent. Hawa kai kama wako ready. Sisi mwambie. Nini ya present tena? Hata ule chief wa present. Yeye amepata 200.
Brown USB.
What's the problem bwana? Wacha kuwaste time bwana.
I feel very
Time more equal. It's not you. What's the problem? You could even be introducing yourself, which team is it? It's hard to say sometimes.
Yes, so we come up with an application that will assist you to
What is the name of the team?
Ganji Credo.
Hello everyone. Hello. So my name is Colin Suchia. We came up with a system called known as the Ganji Credo. So what we came to realize is that the Airtime API, most of the people are exploiting it as the developers. So how do we make this API available to non-devs so that they can benefit from it? Okay, so they are students but don't know you are looking for any source of income. So we came up with an application that allows you to sell airtime. It's a mobile app that allows you to sell airtime, and now you get a 2% discount back for every transaction you make. Okay, so what you're gonna do at first, you're gonna create an account.
It gives you 2%, you say?
Okay, so it gives 4%, then we share now 2%. Okay, so for every transaction you make, we get 2%. Okay. So the first step is we're going to register, and then after register, then we're going to log into our app. So we have already taken an account. If you go back, then log in again. Okay, so we have a default. We have created a registered this user. So it's known as, can you see there? Huh? Yeah, so you are creating the form, then password 1234, then let this user log in. Okay, now the user has logged in. So let's look if the user made any transaction in the past. So far, in the activities pane,
Guys,
so in the activities pane, there's no transaction yet. So it's going to be prompted to maybe send someone some airtime so that you're looking at some money. So at this page, we have 3 fields. So the first one is for the person who want to buy the airtime for. So who wants some airtime? Okay.
Come on, talk.
Okay.
Plus 254 740
740
673
673
050.
050. Okay, so once you make payment once you buy for this guy some airtime. Once you buy for this guy some airtime. Okay, so you have 3 fields. So the first one is the person receiving. The second one is the number you want to use to pay. You can use your number or you can use some other number. Okay. So you make buy
Oh, thank you. Welcome on board.
phone number. Yeah.
7, 16, 12, 60,
60.
41.
41. Okay, then let's give
Plus 254.
okay. Let's give him 5.
Okay.
Wait. So one person who receives an airtime, the other one to receive an notification, which is to make a payment. Okay.
Yeah.
So for now we haven't verified the payment. So but the logic, you get the logic.
Yeah.
So we are here to implement the callback barrier for the payment, but so far everything is working like this. You don't investigate. So next process is to verify this before we make a now this way we get the airtime. Okay. So now let's see if we have now inactivity and the airtime part. Okay. Now we have a transaction here which has been made. So that this is the transaction which we made. Okay, so from this transaction we are able to calculate now the 2%, then we have the 2% under the wallet where we are going to be able to give an option for you to check out, but right now it's not fully implemented. So we're going to give you an option to check out now the amount when you reach a certain amount. Get the logic. So this application comes with a corner now. Yeah, so that's all from us.
I have a question. Okay, so I understand the concept of the core concept, but why are you putting the burden on somebody else to get that SDK push? Because what's stopping you from just buying it from the person? like just sending him money directly from M-Pesa instead of going through this whole process of registering, doing, or rather, you come to me and tell me buy airtime from, you can send airtime to somebody else, fair enough, but what's the point, or when I can just do it from M-Pesa or PayPal? Like why? And I would understand the concept if it was somebody buying airtime on your platform. Like for example, I go there and I say I want to buy for myself. But why should I come to your platform to get an SDK to get money from my M-Pesa and sends to him when I can just do it from my M-Pesa? So I don't
So
know.
the advantage of the platform, you are gonna get 2% back, so that's the first thing. Then the second advantage is you can share one account with various people. You can boost your income.
Yeah, but the SDK push part is one I'm not understanding.
Also, so you can realize maybe you might have maybe this number, maybe you have some, some for you and stuff. Then you're gonna use some other number to make the payment. So you're not trying to use your number, you can use your other number to make payment.
Why not just load up money and then use that? Instead of having to constantly, every single, imagine if you're doing that for 100 people, every single day you have to go and say SDK. Will that be a bit much?
To enforce what he's trying to say. Now, on the first field where you are entering the contract, you are looking at a scenario where you want to buy airtime for more than one person. So that is where you populate the contact. So all the people you want to buy airtime, and then the person who wanted to buy airtime will just now pay for all of them.
But that's what I'm not understanding. Why should I go through all of that when I just do it myself? Why should I come to your app for that?
We are doing it for you by a click of a button. If you give us a list of contacts, we populate the contacts in our system, then we buy for them at once. So let's say you have a team of all these guys you want to buy for them at least.
Can we see that?
No, right now you can.
Okay, so yeah, I'm still struggling a bit because as him, he gains zero from this. He just gets an SDK push and he has to buy for someone. You get the money. He gets nothing.
So this is, he will be the team lead who is organizing this event. So he has all these members who want to buy for them. So his will be just to pay because they're making his work easier. Instead of him going to his phone buying for each person.
So what you are doing, okay, let me answer your part of asking why should you make a payment so that you need the amount. So what's happening, you created an account, maybe a different number, now you have the money in a different number. Okay, so the other alternative was to load the money to that our system, then you can now make a version from there. But as now what you are doing, if you want to buy some effect to that person, you just tell the number, then the number which you want to use to make the payment to. So that number can be yours or maybe for friend you get in business, okay?
I still don't see why you shouldn't just do that personally. Because that SDK push will get open up. It will, because it will. I understand that you do it for many people, yes. You do that every day. You do that every few hours. Like just have the money loaded up and then just have a list of things. You can just give them an option, maybe a JSON and Excel or something like the kind, and then now you can use that just to set multiple people. I get the SDK push part is done, I don't know. I'm not getting it, but as a whole, yeah, the concept is good. It's just that part of the SDK is a bit foggy.
Maybe we can consider that maybe in the future for that.
I'll give it up for the gentleman. This is the last team. No. Who are lined up there? Now you're presenting something else.
Because we different, but we were using
You're using what?
the application.
Which guys? The ones who have just presented?
Yes.
Okay, let's see. This is the last team. No. Which team is the last team? She's not ready, please. No. You want to use the TV or so what get to do that? No, it's okay. Use the mic. You can present. Presented twice, it didn't work.
The problem was getting the
It's
side.
not aligned, it was loud. It's not aligned. What's the name of the team? I don't think it would be fair to other teams to present two ideas. Do you think that what you're presenting is different from what you're presenting? So what problem are you solving? What was the difference between what they're presenting? That's a big one.
Yeah.
Guys, can you present this? Wapigie makofi kwa kujaribu. So alikuwa anaweka motivate. So hii sipo work. Hello, work.
So our solution was basically when you register for events, most of the time a survey is sent to you, and most of the time no one picks the survey. So most people give feedback. So even during the event, like you can see now, there's so many trash, and if this water can split to this laptop, it's dead. So basically we're trying to improve the event to be tidy at some, not that it's not tidy, but make it at least tidy, and also to encourage people to have to make the environment cleaner.
What's the name of your solution?
Flask, not a flash disk, a black flask.
So
It's good.
you can shout.
So use the mic.
So basically, this is the solution. So you register for an event. So maybe it's a class event or a hackathon. So let's say a class event. So basically, when I enter my game, it's over. So when I register, when I register for a for an event, the survey, like an SMS is sent to you to fill up the survey after the event is done. So the admin will send the survey to you. So then you will come to take the survey. So you rate the event 1 to 10, let's say 5. So when you register, you continue, let's put anything. So after putting, I will receive an SMS from from Safaricom, like after like from through Africa Stopping. So that promotes me like to take surveys each and every time I go for the event. So the other stuff is the survey. Let me see the question. So the survey is basically after the survey, maybe you want to maybe dispose trash. So the one for disposing trash is basically I will enter the point 4 bid points. So when I enter the point, so here's how the IoT will work. So I'll send point number 4. So I will be sent an SMS